బలమైన ప్రధాని కావాలంటే మోడీజీకి ఓటు వేయాలి. దేశంలో పేదరికాన్ని నిర్మూలించాలంటే మోడీజీకి ఓటు వేయాలి. అందుకే ఒట్టు మొత్తం మోడీజీకి ఓటు వేయండి. కొంచెం తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను, ఇది మిస్టేక్ క్షమించండి. నాకు తెలంగాణ ప్రజలందరికీ చాలా ఇష్టం. తెలంగాణ ప్రజలందరికీ నన్ను అని చాలా ఇష్టం. ఐఎమ్ రియలీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు బీ హియర్ అండ్ ఐ మెట్ యువర్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ candidate brother Raghavendra Rao ji on the way. I wish him all the best. I was very sad that he lost the MLA election, but God has decided him a bigger role, so he will definitely become MP, and for his talent he even can become minister. My request is, when you vote for Lotus, చాలా మంది తెలంగాణలో నుంచి ఎంపీ వెళ్ళాలి. తెలంగాణలో చాలా మంది మంత్రిగా రావాలి తెలంగాణ. సో ఐ రియలీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. ఎవ్రీవన్ ఆస్క్డ్ మీ, వై యు రిజైన్ ద గవర్నర్? ఐ ఆల్వేస్ వాంట్ టు బి విత్ ద పీపుల్. I sat and ate took coffee with Raghavendra Rao on the way and took 9 Mirchi Bhaji. If 2 months back, my security officers were tested, my food security officers were tested, but around here, I cannot sit like this. All my security officers will be surrounding here, and then 50 maids will be coming with me. I am now all the people. I am free. I can talk with anybody. I can move with anybody. I can sit and eat with anybody. I can talk to anybody's house. That is the life in which I want to be. But I am very happy that I became the governor. If I wouldn't have become the governor, I wouldn't have come to Telangana, and I wouldn't have met you all. So I have now more than 4 crore sisters and brothers from Telangana. That is a very much opportunity given by our Honorable Prime Minister to become the governor of Telangana. And I want you to vote for Modi ji. Already brother told clearly about reservation. He told why we won't take away the reservation. As administrator from Puducherry, I have to tell, Mudra loans are given to mostly to the SC population, ST population, women, minorities. And the Honorable Prime Minister, when the bank officers asked, you are asking to give loan to STs, SCs, women, who will give the guarantee? Modi ji told, I will give the guarantee. Modi ji will give the guarantee, give loan to them. So Modi ji guarantee for Bharata Desam. Raghavendra Rao guarantee for Medak Parliament. He is a very good person, very nice person. He has performed very well during his previous tenure. So he should be happy. And another thing, I want all the Telangana people to be prosperous. I want all the Telangana people to be happy. I want all the Telangana people to be healthy. Healthy means, I have to tell as a doctor, you all know how we were all suffering from corona. But because of our Honorable Prime Minister, we are all safe. We are all sitting here without mask. We are all sitting together. But this is intolerant to the other opposition parties. So they are blaming Covishield. They are telling Covishield And Honorable Modi ji recommended it. I am telling, I took Covishield only. In Puducherry, Covishield was available. I took Covishield. And second dose I took among the Girijana brothers and sisters of Telangana. Because Telangana tribal population was hesitant to take the vaccination. I sat with them and took among them. But without the Covishield or Covaxin, lot of deaths would have occurred. So, one of the opponent leader asking, because Covishield is creating clots, whoever took Covishield should not vote for Modi ji. The opposition leader Akhilesh is telling, I am telling, who want to vaccination should vote for Modi ji. Because of that only we are all safe. As a doctor I can say, because of Modi ji only we are all safe. Because of his proactive measures only we are all safe. Opposition leaders cannot lead the country at all. They cannot decide strongly. For example, Amethi, Revareli. Till last minute, they were unable to decide who will be the candidate for Amethi or Revareli. Will these people will be able to pinpoint the PM? Not the constituency candidate itself, they are unable to pinpoint earlier, till last minute. But only strong PM, our Honorable Prime Minister only can lead this country. So people are ready to vote for Lotus. So we are all very strong people. And another thing I want to tell, BRS. First TRS and then BRS. Name change, ho gaya. Least the BRS, the former Chief Minister Chandrasekhar Rao has least respect for women. Least respect. As a women's governor, how he ill-treated the office, how he did not follow any protocol. It is not for me. I am for free. I am not fighting for the right of the ministry. I was fighting for the right of the governorship. Women governor. Because of the women governor, they have least respect of women. People are serving. And during our freedom days, women like me and you fought for the country and went to jail. But now, why Kavita is in jail? Why? For continuing the service. You all know. So this is the respect. This is the service they do. Whether it is Congress, whether it is BRS, they are for the family. But Modi ji is for the family of 140 crore people. So that is the family of BJP. For them, every family members. So we are not for dynasty. We want for the people. People should be happy. And for that, our Honorable Prime Minister should be serving in as Prime Minister for the third time. So that is the dream of each and every Indian Bharat. Along with that, our Lord Rama will definitely bless us. Jai Shri Ram! Jai Shri Ram! Jai Shri Ram! సహోదరిగా స్వీకరించాలి. మీరందరూ సంతోషంగా, ఆనందంగా, ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉండాలని నేను దేవుడిని ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాను. దేశం ప్రోగమించాలి, దేశం అభివృద్ధి చెందాలి, దేశం సురక్షితంగా ఉండాలి, దేశం ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉండాలి. ఇవన్నీ జరగాలంటే మోడీజీ ప్రధాని కావాలి. మేధక్ ప్రోగమించాలి, మేధక్ పార్లమెంట్ అభివృద్ధి చెందాలి, సురక్షితంగా ఉండాలి. మేదక్ పార్లమెంట్ అందరూ ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉండాలి. ఇవన్నీ జరగాలంటే బ్రదర్ శ్రీ రఘునందరావు గారు ఎంపీ కావాలి. నేను ఒక ముఖ్య ప్రశ్న అడుగుతున్నాను. కాంగ్రెస్కు ఓటరు వేసిన ఎవరు ప్రధాని చెప్పు.
మోదీజీ.
బీఆర్ఎస్కు ఓటు వేసిన ఎవరు ప్రధాని తెలియదు. బీజేపీకి ఓటు రాసిన ఎవరు ప్రధాని? స్ట్రాంగ్ లీడర్ నరేంద్ర మోడీ గారు.
గ్రామరాజ్యం రావాలంటే గ్రామ స్వరాజ్యం రావాలని చెప్పి గ్రామానికి డైరెక్ట్గా సర్పంచులకు నిధులిచ్చి తద్వారా ఆయా గ్రామాలలో సీసీ రోడ్లు సీసీ డ్రైన్లు ఈ రకంగా డెవలప్మెంట్ చేసుకునేటట్టు చేసిన ఘనత ఆనీయుడు మన నరేంద్ర మోడీ. ఇవాళ ఈ దేశం ప్రజలందరినీ కూడా 140 కోట్ల జనాలను తన కుటుంబ సభ్యులుగా భావిస్తూ మనల్ని